Hey everyone, Acer's flagship Predator Z57 gaming monitor has finally hit the UK and European markets, boasting impressive specs and an equally impressive price tag. While gamers in the US have seen a price reduction, with the monitor retailing for $1,699, European shoppers are not as fortunate. In the UK, the Z57 costs €2,499 in Europe. So what makes this monitor worth the hefty price tag? The Acer Predator Z57 is a massive 57-inch curved gaming monitor designed to provide an immersive experience. Its 1000R curvature, which mimics the natural curvature of the human eye, an ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio, offer an expansive field of view, perfect for gamers who want to be surrounded by action. The display's Dual UHD resolution ensures that even the most minute details are crystal clear, making it ideal for both competitive gaming and content consumption. The standout feature of the Predator Z57 is its 2304-zone mini-LED technology, which delivers brighter, more dynamic visuals. With VESA DisplayHDR 1000 certification, the display can hit peak brightness levels of 1000 nits, offering incredibly vibrant colors and deep contrast. Additionally, its 98% coverage of the DCI-P 3-color gamut makes it a viable option not just for gaming, but also for professional content creation and media editing, where color accuracy is key. For gaming, the monitor supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which, while not the highest on the market, strikes a good balance between smooth gameplay and high visual fidelity. It also comes with dual HDMI 2.1 ports and a DisplayPort 1.4 port, ensuring compatibility with the latest gaming consoles and PCs. The inclusion of dual 10-watt speakers built into the design adds convenience, though serious gamers may prefer dedicated audio setups. Acer's decision to maintain higher pricing in Europe is likely to cause some raised eyebrows. Despite its advanced features, many gamers in Europe may hesitate to shell out over £2,000 for a monitor, especially with new options like Sony's InZone M10S and M9 II monitors entering the market. The M10S, with its 27-inch OLED panel, 480 Hz refresh rate, and 0.03 milliseconds response time, is especially attractive to competitive gamers, priced far below the Z57. The M9 II, with 4K resolution and advanced contrast management, is another option that offers strong gaming performance at a lower price point. The Acer Predator Z57 is undeniably a powerhouse of a gaming monitor, offering stellar visuals, an immersive display, and top-tier brightness. However, its price tag might limit its appeal to only the most dedicated gamers or content creators who demand the best in visual quality and immersion. For European buyers, the lack of a price cut compared to the US market may push some toward more affordable alternatives. Still, for those willing to invest, the Predator Z57 promises an unparalleled gaming experience. If the price of the Acer Predator Z57 feels too steep, these alternatives offer a mix of high-end gaming performance, large screen sizes, and advanced display technologies like Mini-LED, OLED, or QD-OLED at more competitive price points. Models like the Samsung Odyssey, Neo G9, and Alienware AW3423DW stand out for ultra-wide gaming, while the LG UltraGear 4, 8GQ900B, and Sony InZone M10S offer incredible OLED technology for those who prioritize picture quality over size. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.